Hi, Andrew Eldridge here. Novation just released 1.6 update for the Novation circuit, and I had some people ask about some of the rhythms that I do on here. It's a lot more of a triplet bass for the micro steps, and so I'm going to just demonstrate what I've got going on right now. I'm going to play something that's just 120 BPM, nice 2 and 4 backbeat, 4 on the floor with the kick. Notice the pitch is going a quarter note triplet pulse, excuse me. Then I can switch it to an eighth note triplet bass. Then if you really want to get into it, you can get into the 16th note triplet bass. So this is what it looks like when I'm in my drum patterns. So I've got the kick on the downbeat, backbeat right here. Go on to my my pitch that's doing the triplet sounds. And I'll actually go back to the quarter note triplet so it's a little bit easier to see for right now. But notice that I have the pads toggled right here, the first 3 and the sixth pad. The way it works out is that if you want that to be evenly spaced, since we have 6 micro steps for each pad, you're going to have to count out, if this is one whole beat through 4 pads, we have to divide that by 24. If we want if we want 8 pads, we want to divide that by 48. So what it's going to turn out to be is every 16 partials you're going to have a sound. So I'll show right here on the first partial, downbeat of course. So I'm going to count out 16 pads. So here's 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and right here on the 17th one, you're going to put the next one. So count another 16 from there. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and then here on the 17th pad, you'll put the next one. Excuse me. So again, for that quarter note triplet fill, the 3 against 2, you're going to have to place the sounds every 17 parcels apart, or every 16 parcels, however you're thinking about it. When we go into the eighth note triplet pulse, it's going to have that amount, so it's going to be every 8 pads. So you see right here at the start, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then here's my next pad right there. Same thing right here, it's going to be at this point. Of course, if you count out from here, we have 1, 2, then there's 6 on this pad, so there's nothing going to be right there. So you're really going to have only sounds on these first 3 pads. Then the same thing with the 16th note triplets. You're going to have that length from the 8th note triplets to every 4 pads. So notice 1, 2, 3, 4, then the next one will sound. 1, 2, the next one, the next pad will be on this pad. 1, 2, 3, 4, the next one will be on a downbeat again, then partial right there. Now where I've really enjoyed this is in the sessions, and you start playing through, you can actually immediately go between these different partials by holding shift and selecting the pad. Excuse me. So that's a nice fun little way. So I've already got something set up over here in these next 3 sessions. And I'm going to show you how to apply this again on the fly. So if I want to do the quarter note triplet pulse, I want to count out 16 partials before I press the next pad. So this first one will begin at the beginning. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So nothing on there. 13, 14, 15, 16, and on this 17th pad is where I'm going to actually press the button. So count out again from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and on the 17th pad, we'll press the next one in. So if you duplicate that, if you really want to get into it, you can put more of an agogic emphasis on it with the velocity. So over on this one, I'm going to press velocity. Just going to put it on the 4 for right now. So I like the downbeat to be a little bit stronger. So we'll just save that for right now. Okay, we'll go on to the next one and do 8th note triplets. So go back to our third pad right here. Go to gate. Remember, this one's every 8 steps. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and on the 9th pad you'll put one in. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and on that 9th one you'll put a pad in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the next one will happen on a downbeat. Again, change the velocity. Now you get more of that downbeat feel with the accent compared to the bass and the snare. We'll save that one for right now. Go on to the third one. If we want to do 16th partials, remember this one's going to be half the length of the 8th note. So we'll do it every 4 steps. Go back to gate. Start one on the downbeat. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. Here on the 5th pad, we'll put one in. Put one in right there. There we go. Okay, we'll change the velocity. Well, it actually might not work the best on this one because the velocity will impact everything for that one pad. So if we have multiple note strikes on that glitch, then everything's going to be impacted by the velocity. So there you go. We'll save that one just to be on the safe side. That's our chord note triplets, 8th note triplets, and 10 16ths. It's still a little louder than what I would like for that beat, but you get the gist of it, of how to do triplet pulses.